Okay, you're going.
Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm Lisa, and we are two of the staff members for fastestonline.org, and we're here in Reese Village Driver today at the Holy Papa Trucks to do a food review. I'm excited. Lisa was the first one who told me about it, and that we have to make a trip out here, and so hopefully you'll see our review on the food later.